Simbans PicassoTab X14 Review, the largest standalone drawing tablet that's totally next level. Feeling stuck with tiny screens, laggy pens, or those annoying cables? You know that frustration when your creative flow hits a wall because your tablet just can't keep up? It's like trying to paint a masterpiece with a paintbrush that skips strokes or a tiny canvas that cramps your style. You waste precious time battling tech glitches instead of sketching your vision. No focus, no motivation, just endless interruptions that leave you drained and doubting your creative mojo. It's time to break free from those limits and get back to what you love. Now picture deadlines looming, pressure piling up, and your creativity gasping under stress. The clock's ticking, your ideas are burning bright, but your tools? They're tripping you up, causing missed opportunities and creeping burnout. Ever feel like your tech is holding you hostage, making you juggle multiple devices just to get a decent drawing? That pain's real, and it's crushing. If your tablet can't keep pace with your brain, how can you expect to win the creative race or wow clients with pro-level work? Say hello to the Simbans PicassoTab X14, your ultimate creative freedom machine. This beast rocks a massive 14.1-inch Full HD screen, totally standalone, no computer needed. With Android 13 on board and a stylus boasting 4,096 pressure levels plus palm rejection, drawing feels as natural as pen on paper. Anti-glare, fully laminated display means zero annoying parallax, so your strokes land exactly where you want. Pre-installed pro apps like Concepts, Infinite Painter, and Clip help you paint, sketch, and animate right out of the box. Plus, the Advanced Pack brings tutorials to level up your skills. And just in case life happens, damage protection covers water spills or drops for a year. This isn't just a tablet, it's your portable art studio. What makes PicassoTab X14 a game changer? Imagine smooth, lag-free drawing sessions that last all day with an 8-plus-hour battery, lightweight build, and a sleek foldable stand. Artists rave about its color accuracy and pressure sensitivity, saying it feels like real paper but way more powerful. One user upgraded from a screenless tablet and called it transformative. Another swears it runs Krita and multi-layer projects flawlessly. And with dual cameras, you can snap reference photos or jump into video calls without missing a beat. The palm rejection tech means no accidental marks, just pure creative flow. It's also the perfect gift for students or pros looking for pro-level features without breaking the bank. Curious? Dive in and see why creators worldwide are ditching clunky gear for this powerhouse. Don't let your creativity wait. The Simbans PicassoTab X14 is flying off shelves with limited stock available. Secure yours today and experience the freedom of drawing anywhere, anytime. No laptop or cables needed. Join thousands of artists and digital pros who've already upgraded their workflow with this versatile powerhouse. Act now, whether you're sketching, animating, or designing. This tablet will unlock your full creative potential. Seize this chance to own the largest standalone drawing tablet built for artists who refuse to compromise.